when we started the job now, it started here. He wanted to frustrate me. Yeah, Kanayo. Say opesu who say deliberately made. Into the rehearse, my man blocking everything. Can't action no assistant. I said cut. No. They say I couldn't say. Can say can react and I say, aha, get up, move to here, turn, talk to him this way. This is how I want it. Please. So director here. Master, stand by, action, no aside the same thing. It was your third one, I shouted him.
Wow.
Into Kalsoume crowd, no over for the young shame was
a big star like Kanayo.
Director, you only crowd.
I think few days ago, Martha Nkama.
Yeah.
Yeah, just holding the bar.
Oh, of course.
About one Timbeka said, I said, Kumasi, specifically Kumasi movie, more like a content. And you might be woman, also who the quality wise, as compared to a more English movies, because the glamour movies. I'm a like crown and say, I'm the bashing be dinner tempo so on why white or Babacas as a way. Could that be the reason why I'm so about Rebecca? And do you support what she said?
I think, say, Matankama, I want a thought.
Yeah.
So what you say. Every artist via said you will see a So I don't know the exact word that Matankama kind. I mean, way, but I heard they say a communication via or ne a 50 garbin.
Yeah.
And a 50 garbin so a bekan a tray Lilwin.
Yeah.
And the man Kobasa. Man take the exact word no from
on one casam.
So say yadi I'll be making on that publication no man in TV. How I was then and can you bet me who said but I think say or no one can or no one thoughts. But because I quite remember say you see artists be able to choose a juma or person. You can't force him. But as to say undermine a juma I believe say it's not right. Because those days before maybe a directing, that was 2007. My first movie I'm a director here was Asemasa.
Okay.
Me and I'm sure it was my own movie. Me and I'm producer a Holy Progress.
Okay.
Production. Now, me no an opportunity nearby say no. Obey Ghana Nigeria collaboration. So what yes, with Kanayo. That time I have worked with Kanayo before. That was with Miracle Film.
As an actor.
Yeah. So what yes. So when he came down, before said or accepted the script. Upusa director because the producer was a Nigerian.
Okay.
Into no getting Kanayo was easier.
Yeah.
But not Opesu director no. Who is the director? Were you good to direct me because you're a big star? Into no or Sunday movies ni be amaye at the trail and was okay. It's good. And what they buy. Am I a best team? When he came, Obedru Ghana. Many producer push no. Those days when he was a actor, she knew say maybe
you are coming to act.
Producer and introducing to him there.
You are the director.
Show me the was now they will be giving one. Only executive producer in their language. And he wants to make the guest chest. This is what I mean. So many pictures are so say and a producer answer bet me TV and a producer and a frame in chain. And one of the business and the other costume was saying, I'm saying, I was on the more worry. Now, as you can see, and starting your failure, you start. Intino quickly, and I'm a Maya command a script because yes, Sunday soft copy and a man will be doing your man a hard copy. And I'm catching and say, go through. The next morning, I have a meeting with him. Now I'm a brief with the storyline and the characterization how I want it to be. So really, I guess that. And now at that time, no that True Vine Lodge.
Okay.
Until the next morning, and I hear they call me appointment 10 paper na me. You call Krano and that. Hey, director, you are here. Okay, let me quickly.
Yeah.
take my shower and then come. Bye, the better say. I'm so I can't wait. You say I'm the character and who they say. Yeah, I'm just break it down to him how I want him to play the role, handle the role. See, after the meeting, you be an afraid producer and say it seems so director and the all you can cry. Maybe on the set,
yeah.
Into the set, and also so at that time. It was Jackie, Kalsoume, Jackie Apia, Kalsoume, Kalsoume Sinari, Juliet Ibrahim,
and the next house
Lost Desire.
Lost Desire, we hear some movie.
Powerful movie.
Yeah.
Enti na stars ni na enso so eba. Na before said Jackie no so eba accepted the script. Because I've had the opportunity to work with him at Miracle Films.
Yeah.
And you know, so at that time, I believe say at that time na sa controversy na so nanka producer na person was Sammy. So na Jackie no catch up say no. Director Asare is good because they want a director who can direct them.
Yeah.
And yet director will be jai or and they've seen that in me, working with me at Miracle Films. They know my capabilities because with Miracle Films, I think I did continuity there for 9 years. Continuity is like a script supervisor and an assistant director. And you know, most of a lot of it, me and me handle.
Okay.
And you know, when we started the job, now it started here. Now he wanted to frustrate me. Hey, Kanayo. Say opesu who say deliberately made. Into no dia you has it. Mama na blocking everything. We can't action no assistant. I said cut. No, they say I can say we can react and I say, aha, get up, move to here, turn, talk to him this way. This is how I want it, please. Also director here. Master, stand by, action, no aside the same thing. It was a third one, I shouted him.
Wow.
Into Kalsoume crowd, you know, over for the young she was
a big star like Kanayo.
Director, you only have a crowd. The same for me. We are Kalsoume like Kalsoume was to share. We are sorry, we didn't. And to be shouting, no. That was when I feel obey. So obey said you may pen paper, you really watch here. To watch here, was a yes. Now I can see you can direct me.
Wow.
So wow. And you know, artists no obia wo the ope. So what you say?
Yeah.
Wait, man, come on. I will not fault her or begrudge her so Kasidia or Meye Kumasi movie. Minini Asimbiaka.
But is it
but whereby say undermine?
Yes, that's where I'm coming from. So will it be so painful? So be na aduma amoye no akase Kumasi movies na amoye a lucky content.
A lucky content as in
we hear content now obi ka say munyo do as it doesn't hold water a light
as compared to me say generally ni nyina lucky content it be lucky content.
Okay.
For that one, I will say emphatically as a director because me some of the movies we shot from here. I asked myself, so why must we do such movies? So what I say, movie making is not like what no can be BS You need a good writer. You need a good script. So what I say, you need a good script.
You featured me into a movie. You gave me my script.
Excellent.
But I had to go through the script to read it over and over again before I could come and act.
So you need a good writer. You need a good script.
Yeah.
It's not like what time script to be a no. So what you say?
Okay.
What you say? We are not 100% said you be accurate. No.
Yeah.
Bebrenya, but ni nyina ne musa ye ho se ede na de sa me maneba. Cheap labor.
Okay.
Cheap labor.
Unkofa the package
because asumasi wo ho obetimi aye adwuma. Umfa ma no because se bi a charger obegimiti. So what you say? But there is one thing omu who so say. Enye ade papa bia na wo ya ehia sika wo. Sometimes a relationship a wo nipa no. Kofi wo tie yesi ase kofi wo so be produce movie abi bia no. What you say? E bia se de mesi ade abontin so ni.
Onyemisa. No crapa.
And you have that good content now open. But look at say oh movie asare de bia na mama me fa fetch na ankoye no akoye ne basa. Bebre was say mu enye. Enti matter me maintain that way in free na make say e here say e communication no obi di na nipa na be ka say
okay,
but I think say ono enkasa no you can choose to join the movie industry or not, because I quite remember Martha is one of the artists she has always wanted to work with me.
Okay,
but unfortunately I quite remember when I was shooting Supremo, the Supremo Ewa Accra, and Oba set in the show. That time, Prince David was saying that in the buy. I remember very well. Na say obey me, but unfortunately, Oba any a year audition never. So I tried ways and means to send come baby Yamanashe, but unfortunately, Martha or a fantastic actress. On say you can't say obi actor, and yes say ubejina ho no wa perform keke. Oye artist bia onim de oye.
Yeah.
O manuscript na wakan oba obe deliver on point. So what you say? Your creativity no so eye adwuma. Your artist bi o ha provided one manuscript. The other man on no one wo kan. On add any value to it. Into no matter your one character the penasempa.
Okay.
But it's so unfortunate say that statement now making whether it's true or not, or making that statement.
Okay.
Or on a way
to express
view on certain things. But as to say rubbish
downplay what
say.
Okay.
Anyway, the
okay.
Poku One TV.